Do you worry of making your business presentation effective? Are you looking for a solution to create a business presentation that just not only look good but creates your prospective client into an actual paying customer? All it takes is a carefully crafted message that resonates with your audience and establishes an emotional connect. Hi, I am Nikhil Gulati, a professor of English, going to teach you the phrases which can be effective in your next business presentation. Take a look to an upcoming content. Hi, let me explain you how to get success in business presentation. Well, the presentation is either online or offline, does not matter. The only thing which matters is that you have to address your audience formally by saying, "Good morning, ladies and gentlemen," and taking the name of the event. On behalf of XYZ organization, allow me to extend a warm welcome to you all. Since you are the host, then you would need to introduce yourself at the beginning by saying your name, your profile, and your company. As an example, my name is Kelly Smith. I am a general manager working at Tesco from past 4 years. At the time when you begin, you should say, I would like to take this opportunity to talk about the important factor. It could be related to your organization, could be about product and services, or related to your performance, or maybe the future aims which you would like to talk about. You must bifurcate your slides and saying it to the audience that my presentation is divided into 4 parts. First, I will talk about the area of product and services. Then I will look into the performance which we had last quarter. Finally, I will talk about the future aims which our organization is aiming to. Then after, you will need to make your objectives very clear. Like, the purpose of this presentation is to make you aware how our organization operates. When you start your main point, use such phrases like, let me start with some information, and then you can so on explaining the data. At the end, when you finish your first point, you must give that statement an end by saying, that's all I wanted to say. Right after that, you must proceed ahead towards its mission, which means drawing a conclusion in advance, stating, let's summarize what we have looked at. And this would help you to have a connect with your audience. The next phrases which you should make use at the time of transition, at the moment when you would proceed from one part to another, you need to make sure that you would these phrases like, this leads me to my next point, which is, you can say according to your data. Try to support your data with a sample. Your sample should have more details, which must have a complete justification. And also link your data accurately by saying, as I said earlier, and so on, would help you to better at your presentation. You must provide graphs and images to your audience so that they can have a complete connect with you. You can provide a lot of illustrations stating that it depicts or it enumerates a lot of content about our performances. Or you can say, let's images speak themselves. Or I think the graph perfectly shows how was our performance in past? It could be anything, but you should use these phrases to make your presentation more effective. Last but not the least, you should ask questions. You may expect your audience to ask questions even at the time when you are representing your data. Or you can expect your audience to ask questions at the end. But you have to use these strong phrases by saying, I will be grateful if you could ask questions after the presentation. But if you expect they should ask questions, then you can say, please feel free to interrupt if you have any questions. So this way you are basically going to answer your audience. And don't worry, in case if you are not able to answer any unknown questions, you can simply say that you are not sure of this answer. You may come back later. It is fine that you don't have the answer. It's not very obvious that everyone should have the complete answer of every question. There's no harm to take time from your audience and then later you can respond back. And at the end, I would say, please look forward for the gratification and ask and use such phrases like, I hope I made myself clear. I hope you are satisfied with the answer I gave you for your question. And this way, your audience will like the way you are presenting. Well, that's it. I'll see you in another video of business presentation. Thank you.